So ngayong video, ang Houston Rockets naman ang ating gagawan. Ito ang kanilang 2026 to 2027 official lineup base ito sa NBA.com. Itong team nga na ito ay 5th seed sa Western Conference last season. Tara at i-full breakdown na natin ang kanilang roster. Magsisimula tayo sa guards, then forwards, centers at potential starting 5 ng team. So ito na ang mga guards, unahin natin si Fred VanVleet, ang veteran point guard at floor general ng team. Maasahan ang kanyang 3-point shooting, meron ding depensa at high IQ. Returning from injury, meron championship experience ito from Toronto. At sa kanyang huling season bago siya ma-injured, nag-average ito ng 14 points, 3 rebounds at 5 assists per game. Sumunod, Reed Sheppard. Lumaki nga ang role nito last season dahil sa kawalan ni Fred VanVleet sa team. Itong si Reed Sheppard ay isang young sharpshooter, improving playmaker, promising secondary creator na pwedeng magbigay ng instant offense off the bench. Last season, nag-average ito ng 13 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assists per game. Sumunod, Marcus Smart. Bagong addition sa guard spot, isa sa pinaka-elite perimeter defender sa NBA. Malaking tulong sa Rockets ang kanyang toughness, leadership, championship experience at competitive fire. Perfect fit sa defensive system ni Coach Udoka. Isa pang veterano na magdadala ng grit at intensity. Last season, nag-average ito ng 9 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assists per game. Sumunod, Bogdan Bogdanovic. Isa pang bagong signing, isang elite na shooter na magbibigay ng spacing sa team. Kaya rin ito umiscore in different ways. Solid na player off the bench. Last season, nag-average ito ng 7 points, 2 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Aaron Holiday. Isang speedy backup point guard, energizer at maasahan ang kanyang depensa at ability na mag-pressure sa ball handler. Last season, nag-average ito ng 5 points, 1 rebound at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Bruce Thornton, ang rookie ng team. Second round, 31st pick overall ng 2026 draft. Isa itong physical na player, developmental piece na may potential bilang backup guard. Sumunod, isa pang rookie, Quadir Copeland. Isang young athletic guard. Meron nga itong size at 6'6". Isang developmental two-way type player na pwedeng magbigay ng energy minutes. At last, Tristan Newton. Isang young combo guard, may playmaking ability at shooting potential. Last season, nag-average ito ng 12 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assists per game. So ayan ang mga guards, dumako naman tayo sa mga forwards. Unahin na natin si Kevin Durant. 37 years old na pero still one of the most unstoppable scorers in the league. Isang 3-level scorer, elite ang kanyang mid-range, 3-point shooting, may size, length at basketball IQ. Marami na ring championship experience at finals appearances. Kapag healthy, kaya niyang dalhin ang team na to sa deep playoff run. Last season, nag-average itong si KD ng 26 points, 5 rebounds at 4 assists per game. Sumunod, Amen Thompson. Isa namang athletic freak at two-way monster. Elite defender nga ito. Improving playmaker na rin. At isang transition threat. Isa sa pinaka-exciting na young players ng Rockets. Pwede rin itong mag-guard. Malaking bagay ang kanyang size at versatility dito sa team. Meron din itong potential na maging superstar. Last season, nag-average ng 18.7 rebounds at 5 assists per game. Sumunod, Jabari Smith Jr. Ang 6'11" stretch forward, improving 3-point shooter, solid defender at versatile big wing. perfect complement kay KD at Sengun dahil sa size at spacing na nabibigay niya. Last season, nag-average ng 16.7 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Tari Eason. Isa pang lockdown defender, high motor energy forward, elite defender, isang athletic na wing, maasahan sa rebounds at hustle plays. Isa sa mga glue guys na kayang mabago ang momentum ng laro. Last season, nag-average ito ng 10.6 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Jashane Tate. Isa namang tough, physical at versatile forward. Maasahan ang energy nito off the bench. Last season, nag-average ng 3 points, 1 rebound at 0.3 assists per game. Sumunod, Isaiah Crawford. Isang young forward, athletic at energy. Isang young forward na may athleticism. Nag-average ito last season ng 2 points, 1 rebound at 0.4 assists per game. Sumunod, Jeff Green. Isang veteran forward. Malaking tulong ang kanyang experience. Mapapakinabangan din ang kanyang shooting. Last season, nag-average ito ng 2 points, 0.8 rebounds at 0.3 assists per game. So yan ang mga guards at forwards, ito naman ang mga centers. Unahin natin ang best big man ng team, Alperen Sengun. Isang rising star, elite playmaker. Ito nga yung tinatawag na Baby Jokic dahil sa kanyang court vision. Isa nga ito sa pinakamagaling na passing big sa league. Last season, nag-average ito ng 20 points, 9 rebounds at 6 assists per game. Sumunod, Clint Capela. Isang athletic rim runner at rebounder. Solid backup na kayang magbigay ng energy at putbacks. Last season, nag-average itong si Capela ng 4 points, 4 rebounds at 0.7 assists per game. Sumunod, Steven Adams. Isa pang veterano, physical na big man, elite offensive rebounder. Isa sa pinakamalakas na player sa league. Malaking tulong rin ang rim protection nito. Nagdadala ng toughness at physicality sa Rockets. Nag-average itong si Adams ng 5 points, 8 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Dumako na tayo sa potential starting 5 ng team. Point guard, Fred VanVleet. Shooting guard, Amen Thompson. Small forward, Kevin Durant. Power forward, Jabari Smith Jr. At center, Alperen Sengun. Itong team na to ay sasandal sa isang veterano na si Kevin Durant. Napapaligiran ng mga young guns, young rising stars na gaya nila Sengun, Jabari at Amen. Overall, itong team na to ay kaya pa rin maipag-compete sa napakalalim na Western Conference.